Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to analyze ear shape for your SONY LinkBuds Fit. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down. Go to device settings and then click at the system at the top middle. Oh sorry, no, we should be in the sound, I missed. Now scroll down. And right here we have analyze ear shape, so I already did it, but you will have right here, if you make it first time, just analyze. Click on it, and then you will have something like this. So click next. Also remove your earbuds from your ears, and then click take a photo. Okay. So firstly, place
headphones from your ears. Next, face the screen and position your head within the frame on the screen.
Yeah, so place your face in the frame position here.
Please bring the camera closer. Turn your head slowly to the right.
And now move your head to the right and hold to make it picture of it.
Captured photo.
Here we go. Then click next.
Turn your head slowly to the left.
And then move your head to the left and hold.
Captured photo.
Here we go, we did it. Now click start and save. Okay. Now we should wait. And now we can close it. You can just continue, but I don't need it, so just close and OK. And right here we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.